Grit continues to be a component of business today, at least that I'm encountering on the regular. I think especially because what used to perhaps be simplicity, like what felt like there were certain components of business or success that you kind of felt you had the roadmap to. You felt you had, like, not that it was simple, but that it was fully understood. In my opinion, in the last 5 years, in almost every business I've had line of sight into, the complexities are high. More so like in every component of the business, in the people management component, in the technology component, in the, whether it's even physical space and just the platforms that we thought we were building on have shifted. Everything feels different. I recently was at an event where, we were talking about the fact that leaders today, like, you might have been in a leadership role for 20 years, not uncommon at this moment in time. And yet today, everything is different than it was 5 years ago. And so people are really kind of re-getting their feet underneath them to try and figure out how to lead businesses today in a way that seemed to be, like we came through the pandemic and had to learn compassion. We've come through now the era of AI and had to really start to figure out uncertainty, trust, all the elements where people are trying to see the world and what it's going to look like, and it all feels different. So now I feel like more so we're kind of realizing being gritty is not about being like, I smile because you get gritty when you face adversity. So you kind of need the problems or the challenges in order to build that resilience that we need in order to grow and expand into this. I think it's still going to continue to change at a high rate. It's still going to continue to perplex us as business leaders. And so being gritty, it's that skill times effort, and to help you build the execution. So staying committed and staying focused on trying to master this new world. I think grit has become a larger component instead of a lesser component. And I think sometimes the word grit, like, people think it's the harsh world of business. Like, you got to be gritty, you got to kind of drill down and just make it happen. Whereas I think us getting gritty around, the emotional component of business, the different ways people are approaching their jobs and their lifestyles, and how we soften a little bit, that's also taking grit. Like, from a lot of us who came through the business world in the era of put your head down and work, like us embracing the softer side of business, that takes grit. It takes being willing to say, I think I can do this better. I think I can get better as this goes. And that's being gritty.